Good morning, students. So, after Sunday, we are going to start our class, that is fifth chapter, coal and petroleum. In that, we have learned exhaustible and non-exhaustible natural resources. In that, we have learned fossil fuel. Fossil fuel means the fuel which comes from the dead body parts of plants and animals are called as fossil fuel. After constant using of this fossil fuel, the storage of this fossil fuel complete at certain time, so we call fossil fuel as exhaustible fossil fuel. Inexhaustible fossil fuel means not actually fossil fuel, always they remain as exhaustible. Inexhaustible resources means even we use continuously, their storage will not end. That is sunlight, air. These are inexhaustible natural resources. So we have learned that what is the importance of petroleum, what is the importance of coal, and how the formation of coal and petroleum takes place. With process we have learned. Another more important exhaustible natural resource is, students, that is CNG. CNG. What is mean by CNG? Means compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. So this compressed natural gas from the layer of rocks. So in the earth there are rocks layer. So this is one layer and this is another layer. In between gap is there. So in this gas, natural gas remains. So we dig and arrange pipes. Okay. So from this the gas directly comes. So this gas can be directly supplied to the houses to use for the cooking purposes. So in our country also using in Gujarat, and the more storage of CNG, compressed natural gas, are present in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, okay, and Maharashtra, and student Krishna Godavari Delta. Krishna Godavari Delta. That is Krishna Godavari Delta. It locates in my state Telangana. So this is compressed natural gas. So if we use this compressed natural gas continuously, means more than our requirement, if we use compressed natural gas, what happens? The storage of gas completes. So we consider this natural gas as exhaustible natural gases. Okay, so it is very eco-friendly. That means it is not cause pollution. Okay, by using this natural gas, if we use petroleum and diesel, the smoke will release from the vehicle and it cause air pollution. Whereas if we use this natural gas, it will not cause any damage to the environmental issues. Okay, so this is about natural gas. So far we have learned the three types of that is natural resources. First one is coal, second one is petroleum, third one is compressed natural gas. Okay, so students, see here, to protect these natural gases, suppose petroleum is there, coal is there, if we continuously use more and more natural gases, what will happen? Their storage will complete, and they will not available to the next generation. So what we have to use? So we have to use in a limited manner. Okay, so Petroleum Authority Research Center of India, they suggest us to use to protect, means petroleum. They have provided some guidelines to us. When we drive vehicle, we have to drive vehicle at constant speed. Okay, constant speed, एक ही स्पीड में चलाना है. And when the signal comes, there we have to stop engine. Have you seen your dad's bike? You see that इकोनॉमी, जो स्पीडोमीटर होता है उसमें इकोनॉमी लिख के रहता है, आप देखिए, मतलब उस रेंज की स्पीड हमने मेंटेन करने से पेट्रोल डीजल कंजम्पशन कम होता है. So this is very very important, student. So again I am explaining you the total topics. This topic we have learnt in this topic 3 main natural resources. Those are, before learning these natural resources we have learnt 2 types of natural resources: exhaustible natural resources, inexhaustible. Exhaustible means after using years their storage will complete. Example, coal and petroleum. Non-exhaustible means even we use daily, you use unlimited, even though their storage will not complete. Example, sunlight and air, कितना भी यूज कर लो वो नहीं होता है. So fossil fuel, again what is mean by fossil fuel? It is very important. Fossil fuel, what is mean by fossil fuel? Means the fuel like petroleum, coal, they all formed from the dead body parts of plants and animals. So those fuel are called as fossil fuel. And compressed natural gas, so this is eco-friendly gas. We even now vehicles also using this one. So in this topic the main things are coal, petroleum and CNG, compressed natural gas. Okay. And what is the definition of fossil fuel? What is the definition of exhaustible and inexhaustible one? So this is today's topic, students. After this you have to write question and answer on your own. If you need any help you may make a call to me. From today onwards my in-service training is going to start, so watch the video carefully. Okay, so from 10 o'clock my in-service course will start, students. So after 10 o'clock no one should make a call to me. Before 10 o'clock and after 4 o'clock, evening 4 o'clock, you have to make a call to me. Okay, so have a nice day.